Hi everyone, I'm glad you've come to Cook with Victoria. Today I'll be showing you how I make my chunky chips from the scratch. It's so easy to make. If I can do it, you can. I'm going to be baking it in the oven. I have 6 potatoes to use. Paprika powder, I'll be using 2 tablespoons of paprika powder. Paprika powder in Nigeria is what we call dry tatashe, and it's been processed into powder form. The red bell pepper in dry form. Turmeric, half tablespoon of turmeric. Turmeric belongs to the ginger family, but it's not as spicy as ginger, and it has this yellow vibrant color. Little one will go a long way, and it is highly medicinal. Also, I'll be using some herbs, half teaspoon of each. I have with me parsley and oregano. If you don't have them and you feel like using dried herbs, you can go for dry thyme, but using dry herbs today is optional. I have salt. I'll be using half teaspoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of oil. You can use any oil of your choice. Olive oil, sunflower oil, vegetable oil, any type of oil, even coconut oil. I'm using sunflower oil today. Let's get started. I want to peel and cut the potato into chunky sizes. I'll be using potato peeler and knife, but if you don't have potato peeler, just use your knife. Also a clean bowl to put the potato inside. First, I'm going to cut this potato into cube-like shape before I peel it. One side, another side, another side, another side. This side, and also this side. So it looks like this. All sides basically you need to cut. Then I'll just peel the remaining part with the peeler. I can just use my knife if I want to. This is what we are looking for. I'm going to cut into 2. Cut it this side into 2. Into 2 again. Into 2. This is the size I want. But if you want it smaller than this, you can just cut it into the size you want. I'm happy with this one. Then I'll keep on doing it till everything is done. I've washed the potato and put it in a clean pot. I'll be adding about 2 cups of hot water on a low medium heat. I'm going to allow it to simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. This will allow the starch to be reduced and it will not stick together when I put it in the oven to bake. After simmering for 2 to 3 minutes, I'm going to rinse it under cold water, allow it to drain, then I'll be adding the ingredients to it. I've rinsed it under cold water. Here it is. My ingredients are here. I'm going to put everything into it, mix them together. going to put 2 tablespoons of oil just to keep it moist. Give it a good mix. Look at what we're talking about. It's ready to go into the oven. It's ready to go into the oven now. I'll be setting my oven on gas mark 4, or you can use 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes. This is how it looks like after cooking for about 30 to 35 minutes, because when it was around 20 minutes I checked but it wasn't ready, so I allowed for more time. So in total, plus or minus 35 minutes, it should be ready. This is how the plain one looks like. I didn't add anything to it, I just did it just like that. I'll be serving this delicious homemade chunky oven baked chips with my homemade roasted chicken, homemade coleslaw, and of course peri peri sauce. I made it from the scratch. If you want to know how I make my peri peri sauce, please comment in the comment section. And that's it. Enjoy. If you don't like the color of the chunky chips like this, you can just reduce the paprika powder. All I have to do now is to go and enjoy my food. But before we go, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Until next time, bye.